Show them we're matching. You gotta bend down.
Missing someone.
Hello friends. Let's bring you up. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today, what do you think we're doing? You probably already saw the title, so you know. But I am going to put together my Ikea closets, and I've never done an Ikea closet before. I put together a bed, I put together a dresser, so many different things, but never a closet. So we're gonna see how this goes. And then I'm gonna show you guys me organizing it. So let's just jump right into it, friends. Let's see if I can be a handyman.
Missing someone.
This is a workout. These boxes are so heavy.
Missing someone.
Here we go. It's go time.
And you did it right from the start. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone and missing someone is as normal. Missing someone.
Quick update. This is a lot of work. I literally got everything done for like the base frame of it, and I have to add on these like backboards. But then I think I'll work on the doors. Stay tuned. One down, 50 to go. Goes around the whole thing, baby.
Missing someone. I am sad and so low.
update. So I ate lunch because I got super hungry and I moved the dresser all the way over there. I mean the closet. Now it's time to do the doors and the inside rod. That was some hard work, guys. It took me all day. But what we're gonna do now is I need to put the little handles on, and let me show you the ones they came with. So these gray knobs are the one that came with it, but because I wanted to make it a little bit more personalized, I got these gold little handlebars. So I'm gonna, knobs. So I'm gonna attach these. I got them from Lowe's. So I'm gonna put these on and then see how it looks. So cute. They're like really pretty. Ignore all of my drinks over there. I'm a thirsty turtle. That was so hard to put together. Good Lord. So I think I'm gonna start filling it now. Also, sorry I'm not super talkative in this video. I've had a lot of like family stuff going on and health stuff. So I'm kind of like out of it, but I still wanted to show you guys like me putting together the furniture and just like hanging out with you guys. So yeah. I forgot that there was like wood chips all over the inside of this and I need to clean it out. So what I'm gonna do is clean it all out and then save the closet reveal for when I show you like a room tour. Cause like, yeah, this video will be long enough already. I'm just gonna like wipe it down and you guys don't need to see that because that's super boring. And then I'm gonna organize it today and then keep working on the room and then show it to you guys in a future video. I'm not sure when it's gonna go up, so I won't say, probably in a couple weeks, like 2, 3. Shouldn't be like too long because I only have to get like a couple things and we're keeping the room super basic. We're like not doing much to it because we're not going to be here for like that long, maybe 6 months. Probably we'll be gone by my birthday. But yeah, so that's all, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry if this video was a tiny bit boring. I don't know what you guys want to see, so I'm kind of just doing what I like to see. So if you have any suggestions, put it in the description box, the comment section down below, and I will, you know, film it. So alright guys, don't forget to comment and like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!